Good morning. Happy Monday. It is, oh, I haven't even touched my phone this morning yet. It's 7:30 in the morning right now. Super fun. Today I thought I would just show you all my morning routine. I'm definitely not a morning person, so this video is definitely going to be minimal talking because I can't talk in the morning. But if you all didn't know, which you probably don't know, is this summer I'm living in New York City. I'm interning at Victoria's Secret Pink as a digital marketing intern, which is so exciting. I usually wake up, I have to be at work at 9, so I usually wake up about 7 o'clock. This morning was definitely a little bit of a later start, but it's okay. I usually leave at 8:30. My commute's super easy. I wake up, drink my coffee. Let's get this day started. I'm gonna start, I usually literally sit in bed, even though I have a desk that you're sitting on. I usually sit in bed while I do my makeup. So let's do that. Walking to the subway. Really freaking tired. How are you feeling today?
I'm excited it's Wednesday.
It's hump day. Hump day. fast forwarding, I'm home now, sitting in bed, off work. Finally, I'm so exhausted, but work was so much fun today. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. That was my morning routine, basically, that I've been doing on my way to work, from when I wake up to I go to work. I've usually have been eating all out, which I know isn't great, but like I eat like salads and stuff. The cafe at work, like they have such good salads. They have like a salad bar, and then in the morning they have like bagels and fruit. You saw that. So I've kind of just been spending money, which like is pretty bad, but I'm definitely gonna maybe start like meal prepping. I don't know, I say that, but then you know how that goes. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more just like New York videos, because I'm here literally until August, which is so much freaking fun. I'm so excited. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all next time.